Hey everyone, I'm Wilmer, and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about ProDentim before you decide to buy it. Plus, I have two very important alerts that could protect your health, so please listen carefully. First off, be very careful about where you buy ProDentim. Right now, this product is only sold on its official website. Many people have been scammed trying to buy it on Amazon, eBay, or other marketplaces. Also, watch out for YouTube ads or reviews by people with robotic voices claiming they used the product when they didn't. That's a big red flag. To help you avoid these scams, I've left the link to the official website in the description below. Only buy from there, okay? Now, here's something about ProDentim that you probably won't hear anywhere else. So stay with me till the end to get the full story. What exactly is ProDentim, and does it really work? Even if you take good care of your teeth, you can still have gum problems, bad breath, and unhealthy teeth. ProDentim is a 100% natural supplement made in the USA in FDA-approved facilities using the latest technology. It has a unique, powerful blend of ingredients that no other product offers. The formula is scientifically tested and proven to support healthy gums, fresh breath, and stronger teeth. Thousands of people have already seen amazing results with ProDentim, and I believe you can too. But remember, this is not magic. If someone tells you it works overnight, be cautious. You need to take it every day consistently. The best results usually show up after 3 months or more, so I recommend choosing one of the bigger packages for the best value. Since ProDentim is all natural, it has no side effects and is made under the highest quality standards. Plus, if you're worried about whether it will work for you, the makers offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. So you can try it risk-free and get a full refund if you're not happy, no questions asked. That really shows how much confidence they have in this product. I hope this review helps you understand ProDentim better. Just remember, be very careful about where you buy it from. Commit to taking it daily and give it time to work. If you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck on your journey to better oral health.